I'm going to be showing you how to use Glassy font in lock screen in your iPhone. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So in order to use a Glassy font in your lock screen, you need to go to your settings first. Just go to your app library and make sure you're on your settings like this. You also need to make sure that you're updated to iOS 26 since this update is only available in iOS 26. So just scroll down till you find wallpaper right there. Just go ahead and tap here and now tap on customize, and after you're here you should see something like this. So just go ahead and tap on the edit button in your time app right there like this, and at the bottom you have these options that says solid and glass. Just select glass like this, and now you can see you have a Glassy font. You can increase it, the depth, thickness, or you can decrease it. You can also make it bigger like this. So there you go, that's how you use a Glassy font in your lock screen. All you need to do is just tap on done and you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.